Be 30 yards away from the target. I got a 4-inch circle. Like I said, it's up to you. I would recommend 4 to 6 inches. We're going to be doing standing shots. I'm going to start here at the 30. I'm going to run 20 yards up range. I'm going to run back again, and back. I'm going to shoot 5 rounds rifle. I'm going to clear my rifle, ground it. I'm going to run back and repeat it 2 laps and shoot 5 rounds rifle on the other circle. If you only have 1 circle, that's fine, but you're running it twice and coming back. All right, here we go.